Welcome to this tutorial on AWS Amplify function category, a powerful tool for building scalable and secure serverless applications. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage applications quickly and easily. To get started with AWS Amplify function category, first you need to set up an AWS account and install the AWS Amplify CLI. The CLI is a command line tool that allows you to create, configure, and manage your Amplify projects. Once you have the CLI installed, you can create a new Amplify project by running the Amplify init command. This will prompt you to choose a project name, environment, and other settings. Next, you can add a function to your project by running the Amplify add function command. This will guide you through the process of choosing a function template, such as a REST API or a GraphQL API. After you have added a function, you can configure it by editing the function configuration file. This file allows you to specify settings such as the function runtime, handler, and environment variables. To deploy your function, run the Amplify push command. This will upload your function code to AWS Lambda and configure any necessary triggers and permissions. A key concept in AWS Amplify function category is the idea of categories, which are used to organize and manage related functions. For example, you might have a category for authentication functions, a category for data storage functions, and so on. Best practices for using AWS Amplify function category include keeping your functions small and focused on a single task, using environment variables to store sensitive data, and implementing error handling and logging mechanisms. In terms of practical examples, you might use AWS Amplify function category to build a serverless API that handles user authentication, or to create a data processing pipeline that uses multiple functions to transform and analyze data. In conclusion, AWS Amplify function category is a powerful tool for building scalable and secure serverless applications. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using best practices, you can create and deploy serverless functions quickly and easily, and take advantage of the many benefits that AWS Amplify has to offer.